How to pin app on Android device. So let's say you need to give your phone to your friend to use YouTube, for example, and you don't want for your friend to be able to access other apps except YouTube. So I'll show you how to lock his activity within just one app. For this, firstly, open up your settings and scroll down until security and privacy. Now find more security settings and then search for something similar to allow apps to be pinned. This is what we are looking for. So app pinning lets you keep just one app on the screen until you unpin it. To unpin, you just need to swipe up and hold if you're using gesture navigation, or hold your square button for recents if you have buttons navigation. So toggle on the switch. But if you want to enter your phone's PIN code once you try to exit the app, then you will need to also enable lock phone after unpinning. So once your friend unpins the app, he will be redirected to your lock screen and will need to enter your phone's PIN code to be able to unlock your phone. But I'm gonna turn that off because my screen recording will stop if my phone locks. So let me show you how this works. We're gonna head to the YouTube and use this app for the example. Now I'm gonna exit the app and swipe up and hold for recents. Again, if you're using buttons navigation, then hold your square button. After that, you need to tap on the icon of the app on the top until the menu pops up. From here, choose Pin this app. Now app is pinned, and to unpin, you need to swipe up and hold. Basically, you can use this app as you like, but you cannot go to the home screen with your usual gesture. Now you need to unpin it, and for this, swipe up and hold. And now app is unpinned, so I can use my phone freely now. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.